So to answer this problem, we want to find k, an integer constant. So usually when you're given these kind of problems, what you want to do is look at the expression and see if there's any sort of algebra you can do with the given expression, and then see what you can work out from there. So obviously we see that we can distribute this x in, so let's do that. So when we do that, we're going to get kx squared minus 56x equals negative 16. So now we see that this is a quadratic equation, and we want to find the least value of k that gives us no real solution. So we know that a quadratic has no real solution when the discriminant is less than 0. So I'll explain what that means in a second, but let's get that 16 on this side because we want quadratics to be equal to 0. And so now we want the b squared minus 4ac terms, aka the discriminant, to be less than 0. And then when we plug in these terms, we'll get negative 56 squared minus 4 times a, which in this case is k, times 16 is less than 0. So then this becomes 3136 when you put it in the calculator, minus 64k is less than 0, and then you subtract that 3136 over, so then you get negative 64k is less than negative 3136. Divide the negative 64 on both sides, and then you'll get k is greater than. You got to flip the sign when you divide by a negative. 49, we want the least possible value of k. So it's an integer, we know. So it can't be 49 because it's less than. It's not less than or equal to. So we go 1 up, and we get that k is equal to 50.